It's me, Josh. I'm back with a third video today. Probably usually only gonna do two, but I was having so much fun making videos earlier, so I decided to bring you another one. Today we're gonna be, for this video, we're gonna be playing with my dog. I showed you in the other video 4 hours ago, I think. Playing with my dog Ruby. Ruby. Okay, so a stick and play fetch. I don't even know if she knows how to play fetch. So, it's gonna be a backyard. This is what I didn't actually show you my backyard in the last video. This is my backyard. Well, side of the house anyway. Okay. Ruby, wanna play fetch? Wanna play fetch, Ruby? Let's go. Bring it back, girl. Yeah, it doesn't look like she actually knows what fetch means. So, I have a ball. Oh, don't jump on me. No. Grab the stick again. I'm gonna throw it again. Okay, Ruby. Okay. Ruby. Okay. The camera. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Find it? Yeah, she did. Okay. I'm going over to bury it or something. Okay. Looks like it's gonna rain soon, so no, go. She's very hyper. Jesus, no. Okay. New stick. Here, new stick. Okay, Ruby. Stick. Oh, she actually brought it back to me now. Okay, Ruby, give me the stick. Ow. Ugh, that hurt. Okay. Ouch. Oh, she did. All right. Do it again. Okay. Stick. Yeah. Okay. Hey, no. If you want to see, no, I'll do it at the end. Okay. Show the shovel. Ugh, can't even talk. Okay. Do the shovel just because no one uses it. Shovel. Okay, Ruby. See the shovel? Got it. Okay. Hey. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. Okay. I'm gonna end this video here because it looks like it's about to rain. I don't want my phone to get wet. So if you do want to see more videos of me and Ruby playing fetch and stuff, get a ball next time. If you do want me to do more, do leave a like on the video, and if it gets 5 likes, I will do more videos of me playing with my dog Ruby. So that's it for this episode, and peace.